Now I will go into Rule 6, safe speed. What is safe speed? Is it 5 knots or is it 10 knots? The answer is it depends on the circumstances. Rule 6 states, every vessel shall at all times proceed at a safe speed so that she can take proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions. So the question is, how often a vessel should proceed at a safe speed? The answer is at all times. And why a vessel need to proceed at a safe speed? The answer is to allow a vessel to take proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within an appropriate distance. What are the 6 factors involved in determining a safe speed for all vessels? The first factor is the state of visibility. When visibility is bad, a vessel is unable to see other vessels. Therefore, in this situation, a vessel needs to reduce her speed so that she can be stopped within a distance to avoid collision. The second factor is traffic density. That is including concentration of fishing vessels or any other vessels in the vicinity. When the traffic density is heavy, with large concentration of fishing vessel, a vessel reduces its speed to be stopped within a distance to avoid colliding fishing vessels or their nets. The third factor is the maneuverability of the vessel with special reference to stopping distance and turning ability in the prevailing conditions. When a vessel requires a long stopping distance and a big turning circle in its maneuver, she will need to slow down to attain a safe speed and be stopped within a distance in the narrow waters. The fourth factor is at night, the presence of background lights such as shore lights. The presence of background lights may dull the judgment of a vessel in relation to other vessels' movement in the vicinity. Thus, a vessel reduces its speed to be stopped within a distance in such a scenario. The fifth factor is the state of wind, sea and current and the proximity of navigational dangers. The state of wind, sea and current and the proximity of navigational hazards affect the safety of the ship. Ship handling is affected by the forces of the wind, sea and current. A vessel therefore reduces her speed to be stopped within a distance according to those circumstances. The last factor is a draft in relation to the available depth of water. A vessel's ability to maneuver is affected by her draft in relation to the available depth of water. Therefore, such a vessel reduces her speed and be stopped within a distance to avoid danger. In conclusion, I have explained Rule 6, safe speed. To recap, safe speed is not a specific speed such as 5 knots, but rather a speed which allows a vessel to take proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within an appropriate distance. Thank you for watching.